Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Uncharted Territory from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Uncharted Territory. I accept you, spirit of uneasiness. Whether you remain here or leave tomorrow, you're simply a part of me that's always striving for more and eager for more. I smile at you for persevering, and I smile at you for pushing me onto uncharted territory. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things from yesterday that you're grateful for. I am grateful for receiving a package early. I am grateful for a new pond in my backyard my wife just finished up. It's beautiful. I am also grateful for a new front door. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.